Hi, welcome to this channel, Lazy-Chemophile. Today I will be making a vanilla home type cake, you can say. So here I'm arranging the stuffs. I am using this French vanilla cake mix for my preparation. And as you can see, I am just arranging things. I have used 4 eggs here. In the video though, I have shown 3 eggs, but actually I have used 4 eggs. And after arranging everything, I have actually just melted the butter for 10-20 seconds. I didn't risk it in the micro oven. What you can do, you can easily melt your butter for a minute and then crack the eggs and mix it a thorough mix. Like you have to mix it for a long period of time. So here I have eggs, but actually I have used 4 eggs in my preparation. Okay, so here I am mixing it, like I mixed it for 15 to 20 minutes. I didn't have a electric hand grinder, so I did it with my hand, like with this, what you can see. Then what I did here I was constantly whisking it and mixing it, and then I added vanilla essence. I love vanilla flavor, so I added a quite bit much, you can say, but I added a bit much. So then again I went with the process of mixing and mixing, as you can see this, and then then I added the mix, means that French vanilla mix which I had shown earlier. If you want that, if you want the link of that mix, I will give that in the description, or you can comment below. So I have added the mix and I have like mixed it for again 15 minutes with my hand, and then I have added half of this milk over this to make the batter. Then I couldn't arrange a grinder or something like that, then I brought this bigger one, but eventually I just broke it and I just added the chocolates. I didn't have much chocolates first, but you can add how many chocolates you want, and you can constantly mix it thoroughly. So the consistency became like this, what you can see here. I have shown there. So the consistency must be like this. Then comes the process of arranging the ingredients, which I did for the homemade cream which I used in the cake. It didn't look like at the end as like market creams, but I tried to make it something like this. And so this was the cake after I baked it. And after baking the cream cake, I arranged all the things and then I cut it in the middle, and this was actually a bit of milk and milk made, so I just was spreading it in middle before I was giving the cream. This was a cream which, this was the consistency of the cream at the end. This what I could make after like grinding it for a lot of period. Then I just arranged it together, and then I applied a lot of cream behind it, above it, in all portions, all sides. I just it's looked like that Mocambo dessert, if anyone can connect who is from Kolkata. And then this were the sprinkles I bought for the decorations. I gave a lot of sprinkles, like a legit lot of sprinkles above the cake, and thus it looks like this at the end. Because I was like, I will make this cake look like a freaking rainbow cake, because obviously this was a vanilla cake. I couldn't make it a rainbow one, but I tried to just make it at least look like a rainbow from the outside. So this was the final look of the cake. I just put 2 milk made bar about